Well, Spirit Airlines is not looking good. The stock has sold off about 60% in a single day. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about should you buy this stock and answering that main question, of what's going on. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about trading and investing in the market, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick or it's not alerts or anything like that. We teach you honest strategies that you guys can use to start making money. And it's the Black Friday sale for 51% off. So 51 code Black Friday. So sign up, click that link, and guys, let's jump into this here. So like I said, today has been a very, very, very bad day for Spirit Airlines. The stock has sold off, 60% in value. And actually, as we zoom out, you guys can kind of notice we've seen a lot of volatility from this stock where it sold off, 30, 40%, and then it popped back up because, they had some debt get pushed till the end of the year. And so we had a little bit of some hype. It formed this nice trend line, as you guys can see, and then it just started breaking down like crazy here. So what's going on? So we've kind of seen a couple of things here. The first being that right now, Spirit Airlines, for those of you that don't know, is pretty much just burning through cash. I think Spirit Airlines, had a very, very hard time with all the lockdowns. This caused the company to take on a lot of debt. On top of that, looking at like their quarterly financials here, they're not good at all. Their revenue is down 10%. The net income is down. Their net profit margin is down, 9,000% or about negative 15%. So this means for every $100 Spirit Airlines brings in, they lose $15. So I think right now this is not a good thing here, but we're seeing all of these news articles, as you guys can see here. And a lot of it is Spirit Airlines plunge on bankruptcy speculation. Company preps for bankruptcy filing. Spirit Airlines stock would be canceled under debt restructuring deal. So there's still a lot of unknown as of right now. But what we're seeing here is the company. Let's go ahead and pull up my other one here. So what we saw the company here, Spirit may be at the end of its runway as Frontier talks break down. So Frontier and Spirit Airlines were hoping to possibly merge together, if not do a buyout. This would really help Spirit Airlines because then they would have a little more cash to pay off their debt, push it, for a later time. But obviously that deal fell through. Another reason why we're getting some sell-off here as well is because of this here. So Spirit Airlines plunged 57%, moves towards bankruptcy, fails to file Q3 earnings on time. So every single quarter the company comes out and they have to tell their investors how much they made, how much they lost. And given that they're failing to file that report, that's not a good sign. This will cause a lot of panic in the market. This will cause a lot of people and investors and hedge funds that are holding Spirit Airlines to say, hey, I'm not buying it. For me to answer that question of should you invest into Spirit Airlines, it's an extremely risky stock to buy if you're gonna buy it. There could be a trade out of it, where it gets a little rebound, but for me the risk is gonna be way too high. What we will see is investors that are holding the stock just start selling off, their shares because during bankruptcy or whatever it is. Normally, historically, actually, the last people to get paid are going to be the investors. So if they have shares, they're going to want to sell it so they get some sort of money back. So that's what's going on with Spirit Airlines. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, check out our school. And one last thing is there is two types of bankruptcy. There's the bankruptcy where pretty much the company completely goes under, and then there's the bankruptcy where it's almost like a restructuring of debt. That's the one that Spirit Airlines is doing. So, I do think we could still see Spirit Airlines out and around. So Guys, hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, like, subscribe, check out our school, and we'll see you guys. Take care.